7:08 in the morning. We're still getting a lot of wind. Neighbors across the street over there, you see they lost a tree right in front of their house. Another gust. Kind of pushed me around, but more to hear than see it on this. Kind of windy. And then our neighbors just down the street, there's a better shot. What you got going on? Mile an hour we're getting, but 34 miles an hour. And our neighbors down the street, they lost a tree. Got the road, so we'll have to we're going to be cutting a tree apart later. But our house, we're pretty good. I think we lost a branch or two. Other than that, not a whole lot.